Hello guys, glad to meet you all in this video. Here I'm going to cover what is performance testing and why we go for performance testing. Let me quickly take you through the video. What is performance testing? The performance testing is nothing but a non-functional testing technique which is performed to determine the system parameters in terms of responsiveness and stability under various workload. So normally the performance testing is done in production like environment. It's called as a pre-prod environment under virtual user load to meet the non-functional requirements. It could be speed, stability and scalability. Moving on to the next slide. In this diagram, the first thing we need to see, like creating the load on application under test is nothing but the creating the concurrent user load on the application in the test in terms of imaginary users or virtual users. So here we have virtual users 1, 2 and 3. So we have some example, if we take some 1,000 users are hitting the application, for example here Facebook, and then the application, the request goes to the web app server, and to web app server it goes to the DB server. If any actions need to be performed in the DB server, like updating the query or retrieving the data from the DB, and the response is triggered back to the web app server, and we need to check the performance of the application. Why we go for performance testing? As shown in this below slide, the error, the page not found, service unavailable, page loading for long time. Like everyone would have come across these errors while working on any of the websites. It could be any websites like buying product or booking tickets. So are we interested to see these kind of errors, which is impacting our financial transaction in our mid of the task, or users get frustrated and lose trust on using the website? Obviously, they will have a second thought and they move on to other websites. Eventually, as a consequence, what happens, like they lose their customers. So that's where the performance testing comes into picture. The another example could be like today, application can handle 1,000 transactions. Down the line, after 3 years, the application is expected to handle 10,000 transactions. So we need to do a testing for the futuristic load as well. In a nutshell, performance testing should be a major priority before releasing any software. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any queries, please write on the comment section. I will try to sort it out as early as possible. If you like my video, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks again.